Electrical components and equipment. All the appropriate spares should be properly preserved and protected, individually packed and identified, and should be readily available for use. Earth fault indication should be fitted and displayed in front panel. 24-volt battery supply emergency light should be provided near MSB. Starters are devices that control the use of electrical power to equipment. As the name implies, starters start motors. They can also stop, reverse, accelerate and protect them. Starters are made from two building blocks, contactors and overloads. Cleaning of the starter panel. The motor starter panel should always be maintained clean to reduce fire hazards. Clean the whole starter panel by a wet cloth and use brushes where hands cannot reach. A vacuum cleaner can be used to remove dust. The engine room crane consists of a motor coupled with wire drum so that the motor can lift or lower the crane hoist by winding or unwinding the wire over the drum. The whole system is then fitted in a trolley. Identification of various types of electrical accessories and components. Switch. A switch is used to make or break the electric circuit. Or it is used to switch on or off the electric supply. The switches may be one-way switch and two-way switch. The one-way switch is used to control single circuit or lamp, whereas the two-way switch is used to divert the flow of current to either of two directions. The two-way switch can also be used to control one lamp from two different places, as in case of staircase wiring. Surface switch. The switches are mounted on wooden board, fixed over the surface of the wall. These switches are also known as tumbler switches. Flush, piano type switch. The switches are used where good appearance is required. The switches are fixed in flush with the wall and do not project out. These switches are also known as piano type switches. Bed switch. As the name indicates, it is used to switch on or off the light from the place other than switchboard or from near the bed while going to sleep or getting up. This switch is connected through flexible wire. Rotary switch. This switch is used to control different lamps from one places one by one or is selector switch to select different voltage tapping of transformer in voltage stabilizer. Push button switch. These switches are used to control the electric bell and indicating lamps extra. When the push button is pressed, the circuit is completed and the bell or lamp is switched on. The supply to bell or lamp is switched off as the push button is released. Pull switch. These switches are operated with a single pull of the cord for the on and off position. These are also used in bedroom and bathroom. These switches are fixed near the ceiling and hence these are also known as ceiling switches. Intermediate switch. This switch has 4 terminals and 4 different connection positions. The main function of this switch is to control a lamp from 3 or more different places, along with ordinary two-way switch. Generally, this switch is used in double staircase wiring or corridor wiring. This switch is also known as four-way switch. Lamp holder. As the name indicates, a lamp holder is used to hold the lamp and connect it electrically to supply terminals required for lighting purposes. The lamp holders may be bayonet cap and screw type. Depending upon our requirement, these lamp holders are also manufactured in different designs. Some important types of lamp holders are detailed below. Baton lamp holder. These lamp holders may be of brass or bakelite with brass plunger. The holders are fixed on either on round block or wooden board with the help of wooden screws. Pendant lamp holder. This lamp holder is used to hang the lamp from ceiling rows with flexible wire. Sometimes these holders are provided with lamp shades to divert the upward light to downward. These may be of brass or bakelite with brass plunger. Angle lamp holder. The angle holder is used to focus the light at an angle and is fixed directly on wall or round block with the help of gutties and wooden screws. These may be of brass or bakelite with brass plunger. Swivel lamp holder. These lamp holders are used for lighting of shop windows, showcase extra. It consists of ball and socket joint fitted between backplate and lamp holder, for the purpose to move the light to a wide angle. Bracket lamp holder. These lamp holders are used to focus the light on the floor or at some angle, slightly away from the walls. Light shades can also be used for diverting all light on floor. Such lamps are provided with such fittings which make them watertight so that these can be used outside the houses or for street lighting. The bracket may be of wood, aluminium and brass. The lamp holder is simply a pendant holder made of brass or bake